Modal verbs. Can is used for ability, request, and permission. Could is used for past ability, suggestion, and future possibility. May is used for permission, uncertainty, and future possibility. Might is used for polite request, permission, and future possibility. Must is used for necessity, obligation, and future possibility. Shall is used for suggestion, advice, or offer, and questions. And questions with I and we. And questions with I or we. Should is used for suggestion, advice, and order or instructions. Will is used for request or offer, make promise, and future willing. Would is used for polite request, condition, future possibility. Ought to is used to express obligation and duty.